What's up YouTube? It's Ryan here with HomeofTech, and for the past couple of months I've been trying to create the perfect setup to edit my YouTube videos, but I've been missing one key component, and that's storage. So today we'll be taking a look at the Backup Plus hub from Seagate. So guys, this is the box that the Backup Plus hub came in. It's an 8 terabyte hard drive, external hard drive from Seagate. This one, as you can see, is for MacBooks or Macs. I'm gonna turn the box right side up so you guys can see the top of it. You see that it says 2-year limited warranty, 3-year limited warranty. I guess it all depends on where you buy it and which one it comes with, but I just picked it up from Amazon, so I wasn't even paying much attention to the warranty. So now we get to the back of the box. We can see clearly that it is configured for MacBooks or iMacs, and here are the instructions that you need to follow when setting it up. On the other side, you can see that it can also be configured for PCs, but I'm gonna be using this one for my MacBook Pro setup. So now we're gonna proceed to opening the box and check it out. Put this over here. As you can see, it's white. I chose the white version because I'm trying to go with a white theme. Everything seemed to be snug in the box. Here we got the instructions, how to set it up, along with a Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan. All this cardboard, I guess it is supposed to protect it, so gotta be careful. Whoa. Alright, so these are the two things that came in the box. As I showed you guys before, these are the instructions of how to set it up, and indicating that this one is configured for MacBook. Creative Cloud plan that I talked about earlier. Put that all over there. So here we have the USB that comes in the box. This end is supposed to go to your computer. This end goes to your Backup Plus. And pretty much this is a data cable. This transfer whatever data you're trying to save on the hard drive from the computer. So that is what this cable is for. I'm gonna set it to the side. And then there's quite a few plugs in here. I think that they are for different countries, but we're gonna stick to this one on the side right here that is specifically for the US. As you can see, it's 2 plugs. I'm gonna rest it right on top of the Backup Plus, and then I'm gonna remove all these other ones from the box, including this one that is for the UK. So all you guys that are watching from the UK and thinking about buying this hard drive, there's also a configuration or a plug to use it in the UK, so no need to worry. But I'm gonna put all these to the side because I'll only be using the one for the US. And here we have the charger that is supposed to provide power to the Backup Plus, because unlike the ordinary hard drive that you just plug into the computer and the computer provide the adequate power, this is a bigger hard drive, so it requires power from an adapter. I would assume a higher voltage power, so yeah, it comes with this. So this plugs into the back of the hard drive. So let me put this box over here. And now we have to attach this piece onto this part here. I guess this is called the adapter box. Well, I don't quite know, but this is what we're gonna put it on. So you're gonna put it in like so and push it, and it snaps right into place. So we're gonna keep that right there. Then we're gonna remove the plastic from the backup plus. So here it is, guys. It's white. As you can see, the Seagate logo right here. They got 2 USB ports at the front, which I will be using because I'm lacking USB ports on my computer setup. So these will come in very handy. I like the design, the honeycomb pattern on the top. It's also on the bottom, and as you can see, there are 4 little things actually that is supposed to hold the hard drive in place and stop it from sliding or moving around when on your desk. So that was very thoughtful of Seagate to do that. The honeycomb pattern is also on the back of the hard drive, but it's in white compared to the gray that's on the top. Here's the power port that we talked about, where we're supposed to plug this. So this is going to be plugged into this little thing right here to provide power so we could use it. And also above it is the USB port that we're going to plug this in order to transfer data from and to the computer. Right, so that's what that is for. It's pretty small, has a little weight to it, not too heavy, not too light. I feel like it's the perfect size, and as I said earlier, guys, it's an 8 terabyte, so this should provide me with enough storage to last for quite a while, because I have a lot of videos and photos that I pretty much record and take pictures on a daily basis. So it would be very good to have this to store all my files and everything on. I really think it's gonna be handy. Really nice to have it. I like it though. But enough of me talking. Let's move to the setup process. We're gonna jump to the computer for that. So guys, when you plug in the hard drive, it's gonna show up at the top on your right side of the desktop. You're gonna have to just click on it. It's gonna open up, and then you could go to the Start Here Mac and you click on the Seagate icon. It's gonna open another window, which more than likely will take you to Safari. Here you can see where you're supposed to register. You put in your information, your name and your email address. Click, I read and agree the terms and condition, privacy statement. You don't have to click the optional offer, and click register. And then it takes you to another page where it says protect your data. Get the most out of your storage solution with Toolkit. To get started, click the download button for the Toolkit installer and then launch it from your computer in a few easy steps. Toolkit walk you through syncing your data. So pretty much it's telling you that everything is step by step, and it's pretty easy. So from here, all you'd have to do is click the download button and it's gonna download, and then you go up here to the download icon and you see that it says Seagate Toolkit.zip. You're gonna click on that. I already installed it on my computer, so there's no need for me to install it again. I just did this as a demonstration for you guys. So I'm gonna close that. But before I go to this, I'm gonna show you guys that if you go to the Apple icon on your MacBook and go to about this Mac and then go to storage, you can see that the hard drive shows up here. Right, so you definitely have it to use. Then I'm gonna close this, and then I'm gonna go to this little icon at the top right of the screen. Looks like a bullseye. You click on it, and then the toolkit is gonna pop up. And this is after you download and install the toolkit, guys. It shows you your Backup Plus. You could mirror, you could do mirror syncing. It says keep your data synced, which is pretty much mirroring your computer. Also, you could go to system preference and then go to time machine, and you could pretty much back up your computer to the hard drive. So everything that you have on your computer can be backed up to the hard drive. So you have pretty much a replica of everything that's on your computer, which I think is a good thing, because anything can happen to your computer, but at the same time you still have all the files and everything saved to your hard drive. So that's definitely a good thing. But for me, it's more so for storing all my videos and my pictures that I'll be taking or recording. So I really like it. I really think it's gonna last me a long time. And that's pretty much it for the install process of the video. I'll show you guys a few clips or a few pictures of how it fits into my setup. So guys, I'll leave a link in the description below for those who want to purchase this product. And please drop a like if you find this video interesting, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Please click the bell to receive future notifications, because I will be posting more videos. So until then guys, it's Ryan here with HomeofTech. Peace.